Hey guys!
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video.
Today we're going to be taking a look at some different terms you might say when you're talking about food. And Max, we're also going to be looking at some national dishes of English-speaking countries.
Let's go. But you also need to pay attention because some of the words will appear while we speak about these national dishes. Let's get into it, shall we?
Minced beef.
Carne picada.
Cod.
Bacalao.
Mushy peas.
Puré de guisante.
A sprinkle.
Espolvorear.
Curds.
Cuajada.
Gravy.
Salsa espesa.
Stew.
Estofado.
Lamb.
Cordero.
Mutton.
Carnero.
Be careful, there's a difference between pig and pork.
A pig is the live animal, cerdo vivo, whereas pork, cerdo, is the meat.
Wrapped.
Envuelto.
Spiced.
Especiada.
Raisins.
Pasas.
Grilled.
A la plancha.
Smoked.
Ahumado.
Roasted.
Asado.
Chunks.
Trozos.
Poached.
Escalfado.
Garnish.
Guarnición.
Be careful.
There's a difference between fry, freír, and deep fry, freír con aceite abundante. Now we're going to look at
10 different national dishes of English-speaking countries.
in the United States, the national dish is a hamburger.
The hamburger consists of ground meat within a burger bun, maybe with some tomatoes and lettuce too. And also, it's typically served with condiments like ketchup and mustard. What condiment do you like on your burger, Max?
I love some mayonnaise, some ketchup, barbecue sauce. We're going to go to the UK now, our home, and we're looking at one of the UK's national dishes, which is fish and chips. This dish is normally deep fried cod accompanied by chips.
And mushy peas.
And mushy peas too. It is often served with tartar sauce as well.
Okay, so now we have poutine from Canada, originally from Quebec. Have you ever had poutine?
No, but it looks nice.
So poutine is essentially, well it is, chips and cheese curds.
With gravy often as well.
Yes, it's smothered in gravy. I've never actually tried it, Max. I'm not sure about the cheese curds for me.
The cheese curds sound nice, Elodie. I'd be down to try them. Now we're off to Australia, where the national dish is meat pie. Meat pie is a delicate, hand-sized pastry, which is filled with meat and gravy and sometimes other things too.
Now, the next stop we're in Ireland, and you can call it what you want, but in my family we call it Irish stew. Irish stew is traditionally made with lamb or mutton, potatoes, onions and root vegetables, like carrots and turnips.
Okay.
And Irish stew is perfect for those colder winter nights, so let's go back to December.
Okay, we're now going to get on our getaway car to New Zealand. Hanky involves cooking food in an underground oven. Meat and vegetables are wrapped in leaves and then cooked on hot stones, which leaves a very nice tender dish.
We're in South Africa and we have boba tea. Boba tea is staple in South African cuisine. It's made with spiced mincemeat, mixed with raisins, baked with an egg-based topping, and served with rice or bread. Sounds nice?
Yeah, I'd love to try it. I think there's been a glitch because we're now in Jamaica.
For real?
Yeah, and we're going to be looking at one of their national dishes, jerk chicken. So, jerk chicken is a speciality and it features chicken marinated in a spicy blend of Scotch bonnet peppers, spices and herbs, grilled to perfection.
I love me some jerk chicken. Okay, so now we are in India.
Okay.
And one of my favourite dishes, which is actually a national dish in the UK too, is chicken tikka masala.
Woo! Wait, I had a question, Elodie. Why is India on this list? Because I thought they didn't speak English.
English isn't the primary language in India, but it's widely spoken.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
So tikka masala is a creamy dish and it's often red. It's made of like chicken chunks. It's got chicken chunks inside and it's got spices like cumin, coriander, And garam masala.
Have you ever tried chicken tikka masala in India before?
No, I haven't.
I heard that there's a really good quality curries in India compared to the UK. Now, are you ready for it? This is the last one. A place in this world is Singapore, and their national dish is Hainanese chicken rice. Just like India, English is one of the official languages in Singapore. Hainanese chicken rice is a popular dish featuring poached chicken and seasoned rice. It is often served with chili sauce, soy sauce, and cucumber garnishes.
I wish you would cook this for me. Stay with us and just subscribe to our channel.
The link to our newsletter is in the description. Bye bye!